Did you know that your kitchen cabinet could be the key to ending bloating, constipation, and indigestion, naturally? These 5 powerful herbs have been used for centuries and are now backed by science for improving gut health without side effects. Stick around to find out which one works best for you and how to use them today. Welcome back to the channel where we simplify science-backed wellness so you can take control of your health one day at a time. Today, we're diving into the top 5 herbs that improve digestion naturally. If you struggle with gas, bloating, acid reflux, or sluggish digestion, this video will give you simple, natural solutions using herbs you may already have at home. We'll explain how each herb works, what studies say, and how to use them correctly, whether in tea, capsules, or as part of your daily meals. Let's get into it. Herb number 1. Ginger. First up, the king of digestive herbs, ginger. Ginger is a natural carminative, meaning it helps break up and expel gas in the digestive tract. It stimulates saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, all crucial for efficient digestion. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that ginger accelerates gastric emptying by up to 50%. That means less bloating and discomfort after meals. How to use? Slice fresh ginger and steep it in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes to make a soothing tea. You can also take ginger capsules before meals, or add grated ginger to stir-fries and soups. Herb number 2. Peppermint. Next, let's talk about peppermint, one of the most researched herbs for digestive support. Peppermint contains menthol, which relaxes the smooth muscles of the GI tract. This makes it especially effective for people with IBS or functional bloating. In fact, a meta-analysis in the British Medical Journal concluded that peppermint oil was significantly more effective than placebo in relieving IBS symptoms. How to use? Peppermint tea is a great post-meal remedy. For more potent relief, enteric-coated peppermint oil capsules can deliver the herb directly to your intestines without causing acid reflux. Note: avoid peppermint if you suffer from GERD, as it can relax the lower esophageal sphincter. Herb number 3. Fennel. Fennel seeds have been used in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, and for good reason. They reduce gas, cramping, and bloating, and help relax the intestinal muscles. Fennel also contains anethole, a compound shown to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. A study in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology showed fennel to significantly reduce abdominal pain and bloating in IBS patients when combined with turmeric. How to use? Chew on half a teaspoon of fennel seeds after meals, or brew them into tea. Fennel is also great roasted and added to soups and stews. Herb number 4. Licorice. Root, DGL. Don't be fooled by its candy reputation. Licorice root, particularly in its DGL, deglycyrrhizinated form, is a powerful digestive healer. It helps coat the stomach lining, reduces inflammation, and supports healing in cases of acid reflux, ulcers, and leaky gut. One clinical trial published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that DGL licorice was as effective as prescription antacids for reducing GERD symptoms. How to use? DGL licorice is available in chewable tablets. Take 15 to 20 minutes before meals. Make sure it's DGL to avoid issues with blood pressure. Herb number 5. Triphala. Last but not least, we have Triphala, a powerful Ayurvedic blend of 3 fruits: Amalaki, Haritaki, and Bibitaki. Triphala is a gentle detoxifier, natural laxative, and gut microbiome supporter all in one. It doesn't cause dependency like stimulant laxatives, making it ideal for long-term use. A 2021 randomized controlled trial in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine confirmed Triphala's ability to reduce constipation, improve bowel movements, and support digestive enzyme activity. How to use? Take Triphala powder or capsules 30 minutes before bed with warm water. Start with a small dose and increase slowly based on your body's response. Wrap up and additional tips. So, let's recap. Here are your top 5 digestion-boosting herbs. Ginger, for nausea and sluggish digestion. Peppermint, for gas, bloating, and IBS. Fennel, for after-meal comfort and reducing cramping. Licorice root, DGL, for reflux and stomach lining protection. Triphala, for constipation, detox, and microbiome support. These herbs are natural, affordable, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. And remember, herbs work best when combined with smart eating habits. Chew thoroughly, eat mindfully, and stay hydrated. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more natural health tips, and hit the bell so you never miss a wellness breakdown like this. Comment below, which herb are you most excited to try for better digestion? Thanks for watching. And remember, your health starts in the gut.